Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by choosing a platform in Adalo, web, or native, because that affects navigation and components. Once done, create a new app and add 3-4 placeholder screens: home, list, detail, and form. You should also define your database collections now. Think users, items, and categories. Make sure to name fields clearly and add required types. This first step aligns screens with data so components bind correctly later and speeds up iterations as you build functionality. Now you construct the middle of the app: data relationships and UI binding. You'll create collections and link them with one-to-many or many-to-many relations, because data structure drives list and detail behavior. Drag list and form components onto screens, then bind each component to the correct collection fields so data flows. Add actions to buttons and list items, create, update, and delete, and use conditional visibility for states like empty lists or admin-only features. Finish by polishing UI and testing thoroughly. Set theme styles, spacing, and responsive rules so elements look right across devices. You should run the device preview and click every flow, sign up, create, edit, delete while watching the database for correct rights. Once confident, choose Publish for web or start a native build for app stores. If something breaks, clear the browser cache, recheck action bindings, and inspect collection relationships. Often a misbound field causes the most common errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.